150 years ago to make this important alliance between English and French people. And, we eventually also have a lot of reconciliation work to do. But that was at the core of the creation of our country. And you know why French and English Canadians decided to eventually create that country of Canada? Because we didn't want to be part of the US. And so that's part of our DNA. Now, forward 150 years later,
I agree.
we need to make sure that we continue to protect that strong alliance. And that is why making sure that we are sovereign, that we're able to take our own decisions when it comes to protection of our bilingualism is key. And I think, of course, French Canadians agree with that, but I really think also English Canadians do so. And as a Minister of Industry, I would like to highlight that it's not only a question of French language, it's more than that. It's a question of protecting the workers in the cultural sector. And that is up to 900,000 people working in our creative industries. By the way, you journalists are all part of that industry. But also, the vast array of from film production to museums, etc. We need to be able, as a country, to have cultural policies to protect these workers. And that's what our colleague Mark Miller is working on, but also that's
never
why
hear
the
that
Prime
from
Minister had to
Frump
stand
Head.
up for it.
You bastards, I can't believe you people act like this in front of me. Can't you see that I'm the best thing for you? I won 8 wars.
Juste pour répondre à la question en français, on aime les Canadiens français, on aime les Québécois. Là, ça va, c'est pas une question d'amour, c'est fondamentalement une question de souveraineté. D'être capable d'avoir un pays qui est capable de protéger sa
That's
culture
French,
et
man.
son
I
peuple
know, I
français.
can tell.
Donc, j'irai pas
Because they
dans
said
les
they
détails
speak
des
English and
négociations.
French.
Mon rôle dans le contexte des négociations était, via mon ministère, de fournir toute l'information aux négociateurs
No
sur
more.
l'impact des